On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don inaugurate Benin River Port Technical Committee. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don inaugurate the Benin City River Port Project Technical Committee, as this one go help tanda the legacy wey the project go get, as e be say e follows the state industrialization matter. When dem dey do the inauguration of the committee for Government House for Benin City, Edo State Governor tok say the technical committee dey go chook eye for the project wey dey shele for Benin River Port to see say e waka well. E tok say dem work e go make the work wey the technical committee wey don first dey ground before to see say dem work well together, as this one e go help better things make e shele as e go waka on top international level. Obaseki come tell the member of the committee say make dem chook eye well well for the money matter and the things wey dem go use on top this project dem, as this one go make the work waka sharp sharp. E tok say sake of say the progress wey dem don do on top money matter for the project, na the committee go come chook eye on top how dem go take do the arrangement matter and operation well on top the work.
I am delighted to perform the inauguration of the Benin City River Port Technical Committee. You recall that on Thursday, January 19th, 2017, the Technical Committee on the Development of the Benin Seaport was inaugurated and their report submitted in October 2017. In 2018, the Edo State Government signed a memorandum of understanding with China Harbour Engineering Company, CHEC, to develop a feasibility study report on this project, and this has been completed. To further strengthen the work done by the initial technical committee and boost the economic potentials of the state, the inauguration of the Benin City River Port Technical Committee cannot be overemphasized in the development of an ultra-modern port facility to international standards.
Governor Obaseki tok say the work wey the committee go do na to see say dem check the work wey dem don do, and to see say the work wey dem dey do e dey follow the plan and the pattern wey dem get on top the project for the work dem. Edo State Governor tok say the things wey dem suppose do for the committee na say dem go tanda put wetin oyinbo dey call procurement process, the one wey go make dem fit follow project transaction advisers follow talk for next 60 days, as this one e go make dem sabi the project sponsor and the things wey dem go need do, and the ogbonge plans wey dem go put for ground and policy wey go make the Benin River Port project make e tanda well as e go follow the state government plan.
So today, what we have decided to do is, because of the progress we have made in sourcing the financing to date for this project, we feel that because this project is looking like a reality, we should now set up a technical committee to review what has been done to date. The feasibility study, the design, the operational aspects, because at the end of the day, what we've done to date is just to talk about building the infrastructure. Who is going to operate the port? Who is going to own the port? How is it, the activities, the applications to the various authorities and agencies to get the port started. The purpose of this committee is to look at what we have done to date, ensure that the port we are building aligns with the objectives which we started with. And also, we begin the process of fast-tracking all the other work that needs to be done. The terms of reference of this technical committee are as follows. You will organize the procurement process for the engagement of a project transaction advisor within the next 60 days. And we hope that through a competitive bidding process, you will work with the project technical transaction advisor to determine the following: identify potential project sponsors, determine the project structure and maritime model, look at the project financing arrangement, introduce and commence correspondence with the relevant regulatory authorities such as the Nigerian Ports Authority, the Federal Ministry of Transport, Infrastructure Concession Regulation Committee, ICRC, and the Federal Ministry of Finance on the project. And we also commence talks and engagement with other stakeholders. The terms of reference will also include monitoring of the project implementation and any other such project-related deliverables. Members of the Benin River Port Technical Project Committee have been chosen on the basis of technical competence, integrity, and experience. I have no doubt whatsoever, given the experience that each one of you brings to bear, that the assignment will be successful. I assure you that the Edo State government will provide all the necessary support and encouragement for you to carry out this enormous task.
Chairman of the Technical Committee, Engineer Greg Ogbeifun, salute Governor Godwin Obaseki for the ogbonge opportunity wey dem get to serve the state. As e can't give Governor Kulema talk, say them ready gidigba put all the experience and the things where them sabi on top this work to see say them work well to carry this project waka go far.
On behalf of myself and members of the Benin City River Port Technical Committee, I want to thank Governor and the state for finding us worthy of this task. I want to promise that we will bring to bear the various experiences and the skills that we've gathered in our respective fields of endeavor to support this noble initiative of the state. We have no doubt that the governor, having chosen to make this one of his cardinal achievements, is set to turn the fortunes of our state economic activity around. I believe that it's an opportunity for us to serve, and we're going to take it very, very seriously indeed. So once again, on behalf of myself and our committee, we thank you for this opportunity to serve our great state.
Now here we see the better information reach on top inside Edo today. As Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, he don inaugurate Benin River Port Technical Committee. As this one waka well on top the plans where them get to tanda the Benin River Port, as this one go follow Edo State industrial matter. Make una come sabi say this ogbonge and clear informate so na T Live Media na in the carry and give una on top inside Edo today. And to continue to get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.